I stopped in just to talk briefly and to share some healthy information with you in regards to our organs, like the liver, the stomach, the pancreas, the kidneys, and the colon, the skin. Well, anyway, I'm just going to first reflect back on what I told you all that what we was going to try and do is to train the gut bacteria. And how we train the gut bacteria is by eating vegetables, raw vegetables, or cooked, not fully cooked vegetables, but more of semi cooked vegetables, and also eating lots of healthy fruits or citrus fruits, so that those things can help us to flush out our system once we eat. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know that the organs have in our bodies, they have a schedule for maintenance and repair on a daily basis. And I'm just going to tell you, this is what we need to do now. We need to get ready tonight and just drink an 8 ounce of liquid like water that contains 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, along with 1 teaspoon of lemon, or just a little bit more, however you feel necessary. And if you don't like that, then you can do 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and maybe 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which these things are acidic, but they work in an alkaline form. Okay, now those things will help us to clean and repair the small intestine, because the small intestine starts repairing and cleaning from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So that's already passed. But keep this in mind. Now, if you're already full from the day before and the morning breakfast, then the repair function can't properly work, because the junk is still there. It hadn't passed down into the large intestine yet. So keep that in mind. All right, now, and also the blood vessel and the arteries, which they start processing or maintaining for cleaning process around 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. So it's working right now. And then the gallbladder, it starts processing and cleaning around 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. And then you got the liver. It begins its cleaning and repairing around 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. And then the large intestine, which is the colon, it began cleaning and removing those toxins out around 5 to 7 a.m. So it is best to start drinking water the first thing in the morning, or eating citrus fruits. So this stuff can help flush that stuff out of the system, and then you can begin anew. Just continue to drink water throughout that day. But that's what I wanted to let you know, that our organs have a schedule for maintenance and repairing. All right? Thank you for listening. Know that I love and care for you.